Hey guys, so we're back here with episode 2, tearing down the 400. As you can see, the gear is stuck on the crank here, the timing chain. Maybe you have to use a puller to get that off. We were looking at these marks on the connecting rods. Somebody obviously had rebuilt this at one point. They labeled them all, and yeah, there's number 8 here and has 8 little marks on it. We're going to get these pistons out of here, and then we'll take out the crank and check all the bearings and see how everything is, and we'll check the bore after that.
What fell out of
It's
it?
part of the ring.
Was it?
Yeah.
That was one of the bad holes. Oh geez, it's broken half. Is the piston okay? It looks like no. Maybe nitrous did that. Yeah, it was rolled by when I bought it though.
I don't see any damage on it. Well, that'll... That's a bit easier from my angle. Well, this is the second piston that we found with a broken top ring. This really explains all the blow-by that it had. And that was right before we took it out of the car.
Yeah, we want to go with it, so
I don't care. Somewhere else. This is sharp.
So there we have it. It's all torn down as far as it needs to be right now. There was a broken water pump bolt. It was actually broken for a while. It was broken when it was in the car. But yeah, we figured out that it's still standard bore, and it's actually in quite good shape, despite all the blow-by it has. Obviously, it has to be measured for taper and everything, but by looking at it, it looks pretty decent still, and the bearings were actually in really good shape. So, I mean, it's tempting to throw it back together and run it, but we still want to do our 512 and try to make some decent power out of it for the pickup. So now it's time to get this block to the machine shop and let them do their thing. And we won't need these where we're going. So see ya.